Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making easy barbecue chicken tacos. So what you're going to need for this is a 12.5 ounce can of chicken. You need a half a cup of barbecue sauce and a 1.5 cups of shredded cheese. You can get this is Kobe Monterey Jack, or you can get the Mexican mixture if you like. Just whatever you prefer in cheese. And then I got some flour tortillas. You can get the 10-pack. And this is taco size. Okay guys, let me put all this together, get it ready, and I'll show you how to do this. I'll be right back. Okay guys, now start this off. You're going to drain all the water out of your chicken, and we'll go ahead and dump it in here. And just kind of want to take your fork or something, just kind of take it and use it to break your chicken up. Let's get your it all good and broke up for you. So it'll be kind of like a shredded chicken. Alright, and you just put in your barbecue sauce. Alright, let's set that over here. And we'll just go ahead and get this all mixed in. Get it all mixed in there. Now the chicken is already cooked, but probably going to want to have this heated up, so that's why I got the electric frying pan here. So we're going to go ahead and spray this down, and we're just going to put this in the electric frying pan for just a few minutes. Just let it heat up for a little bit. Okay. Alright, I'm just going to let that sit for a little bit. Alright, so that's heated up. And we'll just go ahead and take it and put it in the bowl here. Okay, guys. Just gonna wipe out the quick with the bowl. Okay. Now, next thing you're gonna want to do is to get your tortillas. And just lay it in on the grill and just kind of let it sit for a little bit, and you just kind of flip it over. This kind of warms it up, makes it a little pliable and real easy. So there we go. Do one more and then I'll show you how we go ahead and put this together. So it doesn't take too long. Okay, now you just want to take your teaspoon and you just put it on, put your chicken on there. Get it all right in there. And you just take your cheese, put your cheese on there. Now, alright guys, there you go. 2 barbecue chicken tacos. So we'll just let them sit here and melt a little bit. Let the heat from that melt. Alright, let's give this a try and see how it is. Good. Real quick, easy. Get you a little side stuff too. You'll be all set for a good dinner. Alright, so guys, this is a easy barbecue chicken taco. Hope you guys try it and enjoy it. Okay guys, comment below, let me know what you think. And I do take time to read them all and try to answer them too, even if it's just a quick thanks for watching. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm going to finish eating these up, and guys, I want you guys to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can catch other cooking videos like this. And I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure videos as well. So check those out, and I'll see you guys later. Mm.